In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a business email in Google Workspace. By the end, you'll have a professional email address that matches your domain, plus the basics to get your account up and running with confidence. Start by opening your browser and going to the official Google Workspace website. This is where everything begins. You'll see an overview of the plans and features, but don't worry about choosing a plan right away. We're starting with the trial, which lets you explore the tools before you commit. Next, click Start Free Trial. Google may ask for a few details to personalize your setup and confirm eligibility. If a payment method is requested, that's typically for verification and future billing after the trial, and you can review pricing and cancel any time before the trial ends if it's not for you. You'll then be asked to type in your business name. Enter the name that represents your organization or brand. This name appears in your admin console and on certain communications, so make it accurate and consistent. You can adjust presentation details later, but starting clean helps keep things organized. After that, enter your information. This usually includes your role, country or region, business size, and a contact email you currently use. Provide correct details as they help set regional defaults like language and time zone, and they're used for important account notices. Choose a secure recovery email you can access and keep your account's security in mind from the start. Now it's time to add your domain. This is the web address you own, such as yourbusiness.com, that you'll use for your email. If you already have a domain, type it in exactly as it is. If you don't have one yet, Google will give you the option to get a domain through a partner. When you connect a domain you own, Google will guide you through confirming ownership with your domain provider. Follow the on-screen help carefully. This step ensures your email runs on your domain. Finally, add your customized email. This is the primary email address you want, like info@yourbusiness.com or firstname@yourbusiness.com. Pick a format that matches how you want your team to look and scale over time. Keep it professional, easy to remember, and aligned with your brand. You can add more users and aliases later from the admin console. That's it. Follow the prompts to finish setup, review your settings, and you'll be ready to start using your new business email in Google Workspace.